Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I guess you are fine. I'm feeling great. Alright, so here we are. Welcome to my channel English is Easy, where you learn and improve your English skill. It's elementary level and it's lecture 24. And today we are going to talk. Today we have a topic regarding grammar. So without wasting the time, let's start. Okay, so here we are. We are going to talk about future intentions, like something what we want to do or something that we think that is going to happen in future. Intention means in order we call it irada, yeah, like something type, something like that, something your niyat, like so you are, because you are not confirmed, you are not sure about your future, but sometimes it happens that you have planned. So let's discuss it thoroughly, step by step, categorically, that how we can talk, how we can discuss about future intentions. Okay, so here we are, we have just separated it. There are different ways, there are different rules you can use to talk about your future intentions. Be going to plus verb, be here means be verbs or clear verbs, isema was verb, like that. We have present continuous tense, we have be planning to, yeah, we also use planning to, or be thinking of. Last but not the least, we talk about will. Will is also used for future intentions and lot more. So let's go without wasting time. Be going to plus verb. Okay. Let's try to just make the difference. Okay, there's a slight difference first here, so you just try to understand. If you have any confusion, don't worry, you can ask me. Okay, to talk about activities you planned before. Yes, my dear students, it happens in our lives that whenever we do anything or whenever we want to do anything in future, we mostly have the plans. Okay, हम ज़्यादातर उसकी planning करते हैं. Anything like there's a minor thing or there's a complete project. What can be those plans? I've got examples for you. But before going towards example, you have to be careful about one basic rule for this. Be here means be verbs or to be verbs, be auxiliary verbs, and you have to change the be verb according to the subject. Like with he and she, we use is, we use am with I, we use are with you, we then plural. So you have to be careful about it. Be is not here as a word itself. Be is here representing be verbs. Okay, so like that. Okay, examples. I am going to play tennis tomorrow. Now see, I am going to. That is am going to, and is there is a be. And going to here is a part of your rule, your grammar tool, and then your word. Okay, verb, base form, infinitive form. Okay, let's see, to play. First of the verb. Okay, not played or not playing. Going to is not here is a main verb. Main verb is your play. Okay, so I am going to play tennis tomorrow. Means I have planned. Here कल मुझे वो खेलना है. Like we have matches, we just have arranged the match. So we have, for example, normally every match has a fixed date, like इस दिन को, इस तारीख को, इस जगह. Like we normally have the plans for our sports. So we are not sure about that. We are very much sure that we have the match tomorrow. Okay, so that's a future plan. Like we have something you have planned before. Whether it happens or not, that is something else. But you have planned it. हो ना हो वो तो सबकी मर्जी. But we have planned it. So I am going to play tennis tomorrow. Like what does it mean? अच्छा इसका मतलब क्या निकलेगा? Like मैं. So मैं कल मैच खेलने जा रहा हूँ या मेरा कल मैच होने वाला है. इसके ये दो मतलब निकल सकते हैं. यहाँ पर जाने का मतलब here doesn't mean that I am going. It means that it is going to happen. ये होने वाला है. Okay. Next, you are going to see your cousin next week. Like you received a call from your cousin from anywhere, from like any city of your country or from abroad, that yes my friend, yes my brother, I am coming. मैं एक हफ्ते बाद आ रहा हूँ. So see, it is planned. So I am going to see your cousin next week. Get it? What does it mean? That something you have planned before and that is going to happen at a particular time. You have what you have planned. He is not going to take class on Monday. Normally, like, teacher, I'm not feeling well, or I have a work, or something is there is some program at my home, so I cannot. So say I'm not going to. Negative. I am not going to. Not. See, you have to use not after the be verb. Is, MR, then not. Okay. So he is not going to attend the class or take the class on Monday. Clear? Okay. We are going to have a party this weekend. Yeah, we normally have the plannings of for picnics, for parties, for get-togethers, for hangouts. So it happens. So whatever we have, we are going to like we are party करने जा रहे हैं, हमारी party है या party होने वाली है, like that. Okay, because you have planned it. Question you can make simple, affirmative, negative, interrogative. But you make the question as well. Like, are you going to watch movie tonight? Means, have you planned it? It means that, like, do you have, like, you are asking. So, like, today is movie at the cinema. Are you going to watch a movie tonight? Are you going to watch any movie tonight? So, like this. So, be going to plus verb is use of future intentions, but something what you have learned before when you have planned it. Here we are. Now we are talking about present continuous tense. Now how you can differentiate it? First is to talk about planned appointments and activities. Almost similar, milta julta hai, okay? Sometimes I would say 80 to 90% you can use either of those. Okay? इसमें से मतलब आप ये भी बना सकते हैं, मतलब both concepts or both grammar rules can be used for same purpose. आप ये जुमला आप यहाँ पर भी बना सकते हैं और ये जुमला आप यहाँ पर बना सकते हैं. You can make it more, like not always. There are some situations, there are some cases. We will not go towards that, but mostly ज़्यादातर हम ये इस्तेमाल करते हैं. It depends on you. Either you make this or you make this. Planned appointments, like appointments. Sometimes you are fixed. Like you have no other appointment. Like you have no other plans. You have fixed the time. Normally we have the appointments of a doctor, or any like your teacher, whatsoever, whosoever, sorry, not whatsoever, whosoever. So whosoever, like whosoever, whatsoever, whosoever, जो कोई भी, whatsoever, जो कुछ भी, whosoever, who like that for living being, and whatsoever for non-living being. Like कोई भी हो मैं देख लूँगा. Whosoever he will be, I'll just handle it. Whatsoever. Like whatsoever is in the dinner, I will have it. कुछ भी होगा मैं खा लूँगा. So whoso, I'm fond of having. So whoso for living thing, for person, and whatsoever for thing. Additional point. So whoso, like whatsoever plan you have, appointments, you can use present continuous tense. Example: I am visiting doctor at 5 p.m. Like I have appointment, I have fixed time. So you use present continuous tense. My dear students, present continuous tense is used for different purposes. Like something is around you, something is happening now. Basic like normally हम जब tense सीखते हैं तो हम present continuous उस वक्त इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब कुछ चीज़ हो रही होती है. Like my brother is watching TV, he is singing a song, जो कुछ हो रहा है. But here present continuous tense like different purposes. अभी हम जब present continuous की बात कर रहे हैं वो हम future intentions के point of view से कर रहे हैं. हम प्रेजेंट continuous tense फ्यूचर इंटेंशंस के माने में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो काम हम मुस्तकबिल में करने वाले हैं या जो हमने प्लान किया हुआ है. Alright? One concept, one rule can have many uses. Different uses we have. So we also use, like ये बात पे जोर इसलिए दे रहा हूँ that it is also used. Okay? Definitions is very it has many options or many कॉन्टेक्स्ट हम एक कॉन्सेप्ट को मुख्तलिफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So for future intentions, we use present continuous tense too. Okay. He is working from home next week. Okay. Upon like you are like the boss or the management is said that you are going to work for the next week. So आप करने जा रहे हैं. Like that is your future intention from your company or from your boss. You are meeting the boss tomorrow. Okay, so that is an appointment. Boss से time लेके आपको जो है like that particular employee जो भी है, you are going to meet me or you are going to meet the boss tomorrow. So that is the part that is basically the future intention that is fixed. That is appointment. So I guess it's simple. You can use either of those. I can say you are going to meet the boss tomorrow. If you use going to, then meet first form, no ing. Okay, present continuous tense when we use verb plus ing, gerund form. But in going to, we use base form without like to infinitive form. Okay, like first form we can say in other words. So I think it's clear. More. Okay, there are different options. We use be planning to or be thinking of when we are not 100% definite. Not 100%, like जब हम 100% sure now, something in like 50-50, something that's going in our mind, like हम सोच रहे करने का. We are not sure. When we are sure, we use this. When we are not sure, we use this. Okay, for example, I am planning to study abroad next year. Like I'm thinking, यार मैं सोच रहा हूँ यार कुछ कर लो. So studies, I have options. So I am planning to means I'm not sure. अभी तक वो decide नहीं हुआ है. So I am planning to study abroad next year. Let's make one more example. Okay, you are planning to buy a new phone. Yeah, I am planning to. For example, your friend, okay, he is not 100% sure. There is a new mobile or new version or new set from any company. So I am planning to, or you are planning to buy a new phone next, buy a new phone or new cell phone. So something that you are not sure. Buy a car or just shift your room or like shift your change your university, anything what you are not sure of. So planning to. Be thinking of. Okay, same thing. Remember, be and be. It will vary. Vary means V-A-R-Y. Vary. Vary means change. It will vary according to your subject. Okay, subject is absent. I, so am. He, she, it. Singular noun, so is. You, we, they, are. Let's go past. So just be careful about your past be verbs. Okay, you can make in past as well. Be thinking of. When same definitions. Okay, I am thinking of getting a new car. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मैं ले लूँ. I am thinking of to take regular classes to start my center. I am thinking of going on a tour. Okay, so same like this. One key point. Be planning to plus verb base form means no ing. Be thinking of plus gerund. Gerund means verb plus ing. See, thinking of getting a new car, not get a new car. Planning to study, first form. So I am planning to study. I am thinking of studying. Planning to study, repeat after me. Planning to study, thinking of studying. Planning to attend a lecture, thinking of attending a lecture. Okay, be careful of this rule. If you do mistake here, your complete sentence will be considered incorrect. So I guess it's helpful and you've learned it. Very simple it is. It is very limited topic. Will is also used for future intentions. Something you think is something that is related to this. But I am not going to touch this topic. This is related to this topic, but it is in detail. So inshallah we'll be talking about this topic in next lecture. Time for assignments. I remember. Okay, time for assignments. We have 2 assignments today. Number 1, listen, answer and dictate. We will share one audio clip. You will have to listen, you have to give the answers, and you have to do dictation. I will share the answer with you. Make 5 sentences each. 5, 5, 5 and 5. Total 20. Total 20. T means total 20. Total 20 sentences you have to make. Okay, so you can just mix up like इसमें सवाल बना सकते हैं negative according to you. Okay, but try to make practical examples, not basic or childish example, deep play and bring. Okay, try to make like something that is real, something that is practical. Okay, so here we are. The lecture is over and we have learned the topic, talking about intentions. The remaining part we'll talk in the next lecture. So it's enough. Thank you so much. Time to say goodbye. But before going, if you have not subscribed my channel, do it. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.